In this video, we're taking an honest look at AdPlayer Pro, a video ad platform that helps publishers run outstream and in-stream ads even without hosting their own video content, and while it offers useful tools, results can vary widely depending on your traffic. AdPlayer Pro provides a lightweight HTML5 player, flexible ad formats, and a straightforward setup that many users find easy to integrate, along with real-time analytics and customization options for web and mobile environments. But feedback across publishers is mixed. Some report smooth performance, while others note low fill rates, modest CPMs, or inconsistent payouts, especially if their audience isn't concentrated in high-value regions. Like many video ad solutions, revenue depends heavily on traffic volume, engagement, and geography, so smaller sites may not see strong earnings even if the integration works well. Overall, AdPlayer Pro can be a helpful addition for publishers with steady, high-quality traffic, but it shouldn't be relied on as a primary monetization method without testing. Stick around and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.